My name is Duncan Ashworth. I'm the president and owner of Floorbotics, and we use the Polte technology to track our floor sanitizing robots. Sanibot is a floor sterilizing robot that uses ultraviolet light to clean the floors in nursing homes, hospitals, daycare centers, anywhere where germs are a problem. With the robots, it's very important to know their locations to prevent theft, and when we use Polte technology, if somebody has removed the robot, it sends an alert that, hey, I've been stolen, and it also turns itself off, so it renders it useless. We don't just want to know where the robot is in the city, we need to know what building it's in. When we looked at the very first competitor, it was almost 2 miles away. And when we looked at the second one, it put the location of the robot about 1 mile away. When we looked at Polte, it was 40 times more accurate than the next competitor. Some of the other competitors that we looked at took as long as 1.5 minutes to report the location information, and with Polte, it's maybe a second or so. Polte's solution was very energy efficient. We don't want to spend our precious battery resources powering up the cell module. Polte's support has been fantastic. Polte actually sent a representative over here to our facility, showed me how to hook it up, sat with me, and got the whole thing up and running. Polte allows us to focus on marketing the robot and expand our business because a critical checkbox that we had was being able to locate the robot in a reliable manner. Polte solved that. We can move on, scale up the manufacturing of the robot, and go around the world.